Hi, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thank you so much for coming to this next sound juggling video. Letters, I want you to not worry about those, just process some sounds with me. So what I want you to do is hear the sounds, see the sounds, touch the sounds in the air as we go along, and say the sounds. That will help you process all of the things and words we're going to process today. So here is the first one. This one is ah, font. In font, what if I add l? Now you have flaunt. This one is ilk. In gilk, what if I add Now you have ilk, grilk. This next one is stock. In stock, what if I add right here? Now you have stonk. Here is Flynn. In Flynn, what if I add t at the end? Then you have Flint. Here is off. In broth, what if I add right there? Now you have broth. Here is whiffed. In whiffed, what if I add Now you have swift. Here is at. In cracked, what if I add Now you have craft. Here is in slun, what if I add Now you have slunt. Here is ill. In Brill, what if I add t? Now you have ill brilt. Here is emp. In Kemp, what if I add ul? Now you have clemp. Here is aft. In caft, what if I add Now you have craft. Here is us. In bless, what if I add t? Now you have blessed. Here is os. In cross, what if I add Now you have k, ah, sp, cross. Here is p, a, amp. In pamp, what if I add ul? Now you have p, ul, a, p, plamp. Here is d, a, f, t, doft. In doft, what if I add Now you have d, a, f, t, droft. Here is s, ul, I, n, s, ul, I, n, slin. In slin, what if I add t? Now you have s, ul, I, n, t, slint. Here is p, a, t, p, ot. In prot, what if I add n? Now you have p, a, n, t, pront. Here is t, a, k, t, act. In tact, what if I add Now you have t, a, k, t, tract. Here is k, l, o, d, k, l, ode. In clode, what if I add s? Now you have k, l, o, s, d, closed. Here is sk, ol, sk, ol. In skull, what if I add d? Now you have sk, ol, d, scold. Here is t, a, p, t, ap. In trap, what if I add You would have t, a, p, tramp. This one is p, a, p, ump. In pump, what if I add ul right here? Then you have p, ul, a, plump. Here is p, ul, a, n, p, ul, un. In plun, what if I add j? Now you have p, ul, a, n, j, plunge. Here is ow, n, d, round. In round, what if I add g? Now you have g, ow, n, d, ground. This one is g, at, g, at. In grat, what if I add f right here? Now you have g, a, f, t, graft. Okay, so I want to thank you all for coming to the sound juggling lesson. I hope everybody has a super great day. Bye.